Did you know that foods high in protein and fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to manage your weight? It's like a double whammy for your appetite. Protein and fiber are two of the most important nutrients that our bodies need to function properly, and having a diet rich in both can make a huge difference in our overall health. So, what exactly are protein and fiber? Protein is an essential nutrient that helps build and repair our muscles, organs, and tissues. It's a vital component of every cell in our body, and getting enough of it is crucial for growth and maintenance. Fiber, on the other hand, is a type of carbohydrate that's found in plant-based foods and plays a key role in digestion, satiety, and blood sugar control. It's essential for keeping our gut healthy and our digestive system running smoothly. When it comes to high protein and high fiber foods, there are plenty of options to choose from. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are some of the richest sources of protein and fiber. They're also super versatile and can be added to soups, stews, salads, and curries. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are another great source of fiber, and they're really easy to incorporate into your daily meals. If you're a fan of animal products, you can get a good amount of protein and fiber from foods like chicken, fish, and eggs. And let's not forget about nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, which are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to eat more high protein and high fiber foods is accessibility and cost. Some of these foods can be pretty pricey, and it's hard to find them in local grocery stores. But with a little bit of planning and creativity, you can make these foods a staple in your diet without breaking the bank. So, how can you start incorporating more high protein and high fiber foods into your meals? One easy way is to start your day with a high protein breakfast, like scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. You can also add legumes to your favorite soups and stews for an extra boost of protein and fiber. And if you're looking for a quick snack, try making a trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Another great option is to try new recipes like lentil curry or quinoa salad with grilled chicken. The possibilities are endless. If you're short on time, don't worry. You can still get your daily dose of protein and fiber with some quick and convenient options. For example, you can try protein shakes or bars made with wholesome ingredients, or grab a handful of nuts and seeds as a quick snack. And if you're cooking for a crowd, try making a big batch of chili or stew that's packed with protein and fiber. In summary, incorporating high protein and high fiber foods into your diet can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. It's all about making small changes to your daily meals and snacks and being mindful of the foods you choose. Remember, every little bit counts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you want to explore more about nutrition and healthy eating, be sure to check out our other videos. And don't forget to share your favorite high-protein, high-fiber foods in the comments below.